You guys ever have that tool chest that this is about to fall apart? Well, today, after years of being very gentle with it, I finally said, you know what? I'm gonna add a piano hinge and bolt it shut. So boom, it's done. Here it is. This is my impact tool case, and I just slapped on whatever. This is just stuff I had around the house. So I slapped on the piano hinge, screwed it in, and bolted it shut. It's pretty easy. It's nice and free. I want it to come apart. Yeah, it is a bit of a nuisance. I probably could have thought of something a little bit easier. But I don't really use this thing every day. It's for the big jobs. And there's something wrong with that. I want to clean that. Okay. So, this is pretty easy. I just did a 1/4 inch drill through. And boom, there you go. So now all these sockets are nice and secure. Get to the job site, and I don't have to ever worry about it flying open on me. Now it's funny because it's been like this for years, and I have only now just gotten around to fixing it. Oh, it's clean now. Okay, I guess I just had to take it off and we can put it on a couple times. Oh, that's the bolt right there. It's not too bad. Now, as you can see, it is a very solid and secure case.